Hey folks, talking about creating a schema in SQL Server. A schema is smaller than a database. It could be part of a database where you could set up permissions and put objects into just that schema so that you can kind of control things. To create a schema is really easy. You just write create schema and then give it a name. I'm just calling it Oracle, not to be silly, but just because maybe we're importing stuff from Oracle and I want to keep them separate. So anyway, I hit execute. Now, when I look at the tables, see, everything is still under dbo, which is the default schema, which stands for database owner. That's out of the box. But now I want to move something to this Oracle schema. Well, how do I do that? Well, I say and this almost looks backwards from what you would think, but we're altering the schema Oracle, the new one, and we're transferring into it we're transferring into it this table called emp, which is right here, that's currently owned by the dbo schema. So when we do that, boom, command completed successfully. But we have to go to tables and refresh it. Boom. Now you notice it put Oracle on the bottom, not because it's new, but because it's alphabetized. So O comes after D. So now it's down here. And you can almost think in some ways, a schema, it's almost like making a folder for hierarchy's sake, but it's also with different permissions. That's it. If you think this video was helpful, please consider hitting the like button. If you loved it, maybe think of subscribing. If you really like me, I'm moving next week. I could use a few people to help. Just kidding. It's in 2 weeks. All right, guys. Gotta run. Thanks. Bye.